Once created, you'll now see the processor configuration has been created. You'll now be shown a listing of connectors. This will include your MasterCard as well as Visa. Click Save. Once added, go back to your connectors, and you'll now see your MasterCard and Visa appear in the listing. First, click on MasterCard and click Edit. Scroll down, and under 3D Secure, click Accept and click Save. You'll now need to do the same exact for your Visa connection. Click on Visa, click Edit, and set the 3D Secure to Accept, followed by clicking Save.